Let's talk about energy through the ecosystem. The law of thermodynamics is basically another word for the law of energy. Don't confuse that with matter, because matter cannot be changed into energy, and it's completely different from the law of matter. Well, not completely different, but a little different, because it's the same in the beginning. Energy can't be created or destroyed. Remember, we're using the word energy here. Matter is from the last unit. It can only be transformed or transferred is probably a better word here. It's not cycled like energy, because the start of the cycle in energy, or the start of the use of energy, changes and it becomes less useful when you transform. Now here's the second law, probably the part you haven't heard. Whenever energy is transferred, energy is lost as heat. Heat is always going to flow from hot to cold. And again, whenever energy is transferred, there's entropy, which means if you look at this diagram, you have here molecules together, and when energy is transferred, they kind of get scattered, and it's like chaos. The molecules go into chaos. This kind of describes how you start with a more useful form of energy, and as it gets transferred, it becomes less useful. Its ability to do work, it loses its ability to do work. There are 6 forms of energy. The start of all energy on Earth is the sun, and energy, unlike matter, is an open system. And what that means is energy starts from the sun, which is outside of Earth, and when it's lost as heat, it travels through the atmosphere and can be lost outside of Earth as well. So it's not like matter that gets cycled and stays inside Earth. Chemical energy or potential energy is stored energy, and examples of stored energy are fossil fuels, food, etc. We're going to use food energy. We're going to talk about a lot in this unit. This would be mechanical energy or kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion. Nuclear, we're going to talk about later on in the year. Electrical, and heat. These energy forms can be transferred from one to another, and every time there's a transformation, energy is lost in the form of heat.